Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So festive season आ गया है और बहुत ज़्यादा हैपनिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि कोविड भी अभी काफ़ी कंट्रोल में है, तो हम फेस्टिवल्स इस बार सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. तो आई एम हेयर विद दिस फेस्टिवल लुक जिसके लिए मैंने यूज़ किए हैं लोटस के प्रोडक्ट्स. The best thing about Lotus makeup is that the products are 100% vegetarian, cruelty free, 97% natural, and it's a vegan makeup. So इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन. तो इस फेस्टिव लुक के लिए मैंने अपना बेस मेकअप पहले ही कर लिया है, वो काफ़ी सिमिलर रहता है मेरा, तो आप इस वीडियो में चेकआउट कर सकते हो. तो आज की मेकअप लुक बहुत ही सटल है, तो उसके लिए मैंने यूज़ की है लोटस मेकअप की प्रो एडिट स्ट्रोब क्रीम विच हैज़ अ सिल्क टच एंड इट इज़ नेचुरली ल्यूमिनस एंड हाई डेफिनेशन विच इज़ गुड फॉर ऑल द स्किन टाइप्स. So this strobe cream has a lightweight formula which gives naturally glowing skin, and trust me guys, I have tried a lot of strobe creams from the time I've started doing my makeup. I love strobe creams and this one has such a lightweight formula. It doesn't even feel on the skin and gives you a nice natural glow. And yeah, also the best thing about it is that it's preservatives free, and to apply it I just swatched it on my hand and then you need to apply it with your finger. You can directly apply it from the tube also, and just blend it over your skin and it will give you a natural glow. It's a beautiful formula and I am in total love with it. To buy all of this, I'll provide all the links in the description box. Also, I applied it on the tip of my nose just to give a highlight to my nose. I like it that way in my makeup. So as it's a simple subtle makeup, but I like that festive glow on my face. So you don't get time to do the skincare, you use a strobe cream for that. The next product which I use for the makeup is a liner. Now my festive look can never go complete without a liner. So for that I am using Lotus Makeup Proedit Silk Touch Perfection Eyeliner. It's a beautiful pen liner and I have never used a pen liner in my life. I use that bottle eyeliner always, but this one has my heart. It is also paraben free and contains chamomile extract and vitamin E, and is also 100% vegan. So it's a good eyeliner and you can invest in it. You can check out the link in the description box if you want to buy. Look at the precision and how easy it is to apply a liner. If you are not a pro at applying eyeliner, you can try this product and you are good to go. It's very easy, and for the Indian look it's good and great. So yeah, you can also do a winged liner with this one, so it will be easy. And yeah, for the lips, I'm again using a Lotus Makeup Pro Edit Silk Touch Matte Lip Color. It's in the shade Nude Nature, and it's a beautiful coral shade. I love coral shades, and for the warm skin tone I have, coral shades look really nice. The best thing about this lipstick is that it's long lasting, and yeah, it's enriched with olive butter, which is great. It has a nice silky texture and sits very nicely on your lips. So love the shade, recommended from my side for the Indian festivals. We usually tend to wear warm colors like red, maroon, or golden color. We tend to wear it. So उसके साथ एक coral color की lipstick goes well, and it's a nice bullet lipstick. I love it. It has a nice matte finish. So yeah, you can try this one. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. This is the final look. I loved how this makeup look is so subtle and amazing, and all the products I used in this video are amazing and recommended from my side. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box, and if you like this video, then give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.